what's up, fam? So I got the engine light and I want to help you guys out. What code are you gonna get once you read it? So I'm gonna install that OBD reader right there. And 1 second. Yeah, I just had it up there for you guys to make it easy, but I guess it fell. Where is it? Yeah, it's right there. Alright, so you can install that, and then what you do is just turn on the accessories, don't turn on the car. Make sure your foot is off the gas. So that's once, and that's twice. And then I'll show you guys what code you're gonna get for for installing the downpipe like you did. PRL downpipe, catted or catless. You're gonna get either or. It's right there. I see it. But here we go. So we're gonna run the code. I'm just trying to help you guys out so you guys don't have to go to what's it called, a mechanic to read your code or anything like that. So save up your money, and I mean everyone's gonna get the same code. So read the code, engine. So this is the code you guys are gonna get: 0420 P0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. But I mean, you could delete it either way, but I wouldn't. I would just get the Ktuner or Hondata to tune the car, and then it will be disabled and the engine light will go away. But there's no issue, the power is still there, there's no deficiency or anything like that, or like efficiency below threshold. It's just that it's reading a stock, a stock downpipe, but we have a performance exhaust and a downpipe, so you'll get it. Just ignore it, ignore that code. I mean, ignore that engine light as well. There's no issue. My friend drove it for like almost five weeks with the engine light and no issues. He still has his power, his boost, whatever. He's gonna tune it soon, but I'm trying to tune it like this week or next week. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and hit the notification icon bell, and share the video with your friends. I'm just trying to help you guys out with relieve your stress, or don't get anxiety, or like, oh shit, I got an engine light. So it's nothing, it's just kind of fake. Alright, thanks for watching.